Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I personally curl my hair. I thought this would be a helpful video if you have limp, kind of like lifeless hair like I do. This is how my hair dries. It doesn't do a whole lot. It's kind of boring, so curling it is how I give it some volume. I definitely lack volume, so I can use it where I can get it. And I thought I would just show you the products that I use because I use pretty specific products. I've used them for many years and they really haven't changed, so I thought I would just show you what I know and love, and I know it works. And if you have thin hair like me, then this might be handy for you. So I let my hair dry mostly by itself today, but I dried it once it got to the roots and it was just taking a while. That was really all I did, and I just have to dry these to like actually dry properly. But I'll show you, if you're also growing out your bangs like I am, like how to incorporate those into your hairstyle and make them look good, because this is just not cute. So I use a wand. I'm sure many people use wands. And this is by the brand called NUME, N-U-M-E. It is amazing. It gets hot within seconds, and I can do my hair in 5 minutes because I have really thin hair and not a lot of it. And then I just wanted to talk about two products that I have been using forever. This is, anytime I've ever curled my hair, I've always gone to them. They're both by John Frieda. I use the FRIZZ, what's this called? Hairspray. This is a firm hold hairspray. I like this because it does have, like it says, a micro fine mist, so it does come out really like thin. It doesn't just like squirt on your hair and get all gross. It's definitely like a crunchier hairspray, but that's only if you're like gonna do it really close or like get a lot of product into one place. Hold this out from a further distance and give it a really good spritz, and then I just like crunch it through my hair and make sure that it gets in, and that way it's not gonna be all stiff and gross. If I don't do hairspray, I find the curls just won't last as long. Just finding the right hairspray that works for you. Honestly, hairspray is one of those things that's like, it's so particular to who you are and what your hair does and what it feels like. So while that's hairspray is just kind of drying in and getting into the hair, you can already see it's given it quite a bit of like piecey texture, which is really nice. Just what we're looking for. I used this product as well. It's also John Frieda. This is the Beach Blonde Sea Waves Salt Spray, and I just spritz this in my hair to give it texture and like give it that piecey, beachy, wavy kind of deal. I've been using this for like, I want to say 7 years. Like ever since this product launched, I got it at an event, like a small bottle, and I was hooked. I never stopped using it. So this is what I use after I'll curl my hair. I'll show you. When I want natural, like everyday waves, I just split my hair down the middle as like loosely as possible, and then I just start to grab pieces from the back. I don't go too far up the hair. I just go like maybe like 3 inches down from the root, and that's where I'll start the wave. And I'm going to do them away from the hair, or sorry, away from my face. Away from the hair, that makes no sense. And that's about 5 seconds. I kind of let the curl drop in my hand a bit and cool off. That's the trick, is like dropping your hot curl. It's just gonna let it fall out quicker. So I kind of let it cool off in my hand a little bit, and then I'll let it fall. That was literally 5 seconds. This wand is so good. You can do your hair in the matter of like 5 minutes. For the next curl, I'm gonna go in, and this way it just gives your hair a natural kind of wave. It looks like your hair naturally curls, which mine sure as heck does not. And it gives it some volume, and it just kind of helps your hair look a little bit more full. Sure, you've heard that before. Again, curling your hair video on the internet, not groundbreaking at all, but I just wanted to talk about the products that I use because I get questions sometimes. So I'm just going to keep going back and forth in direction, and then I'll show you when I get to the front of the hair what I do when I get closer to the face. So now that I'm about 3 pieces into the front of my face, like I'll make 3 pieces out of this bit of hair, I only go away from the face and I don't hold them long. This is the last piece of hair before these bangs start to happen, so I really start it lower. I don't curl it as much because I just want it to be super natural, and I'll be really loose and I just kind of move the wand back and forth. It just lets it fall like that. And then for me, I just work these pieces in, like these front pieces, because of the way that they're cut right now. They're kind of okay, but if I wanted it, I would just kind of move the wand a bit around them for them to do what I want. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. So these are the curls without being styled. They're much more chill in the front. You can see these are more relaxed, and then the back is more full. I'm going to brush them out and chill them out a lot, but I find that my hair just falls out quicker at the back, so I let those be a little bit tighter. I'm actually going to re-curl this piece because this one fell out. Alright, so before I brush it out, I'm going to spritz it with some of my John Frieda. See how piecey it makes it? Oh, it's the best. And I don't find that this makes your hair like greasy or anything like that either. So you really can just like go to town and spritz your hair. I think it just makes it shinier. Can't go wrong with that. And then I like to use a very wide paddle brush to brush my hair every day just because less breakage is happening. The smaller your brush, the more breakage you're gonna get. Just brush all that out. And then when you brush it, like if you are, like I said before, growing out your bangs, it's just gonna like mold in better. See how it kind of just looks like my hair does that now? And that's it, ladies and gents. If gents even watch my videos, I highly doubt it. And then I'll spray more because I like it to look piecey. I really like to get the ends. Okay guys, that is it for me. This is how I get my everyday beach waves. I like to do this hairstyle pretty much all the time, and then I'll sleep on it and they look even better the next day. And I really just wanted to talk about the products because of course we've all curled our hair before. This is like probably the billionth video added to the internet about how to curl your hair. But if you haven't curled your hair before, I hope that this video was helpful for you. But yeah, again, I just wanted to talk about the products. I love these products from John Frieda. I have been using them for years, and that beach spray I honestly have been using since this came out on the shelves, and I just absolutely adore it. It's so good. It's definitely a staple for me. I use this product all the time, especially when I'm curling my hair, but I'll also use it when it's straight just to give it a little bit of texture and some pieciness, because if you're like me and you have lifeless hair, needs a little love. Remember to like the video down below. That would be super nice. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!